Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form attributes in HTML input elements. So quickly, I'm going to discuss about this form target attribute. The form target attribute with the form target and let's call it with the iframe attribute. So this is what we are going to talk about right now. So let's get back to our document. As you can see in our previous tutorial, we are having this form target which is sending us to another tab, right? This one is also sending us to another tab. So right now I want to send it to our iframe. So quickly, let's create another frame right here. Let's just create iframe at the bottom here. When you create an iframe, we need a name. When we specify a name, you could write something there. Let's write II. Just write II. So now let's use this II inside our target right here. II. This one also should be coming to II. So when we click our post or we click our get, all of it will be coming to the II. Now let's press it. Can you see? It's taking us to another page again. It's not supposed to do that, right? So let's close our document and reopen this again. Definitely there's an error. Let's submit again. Can you see it's still taking us to another page? Let's submit. Can you see the post is taking us to the II? As you can see, the post is taking us to the II. So I'm going to let's click this get again. Can you see the get is still taking us to another page? Why the get is taking us to another page? So now we are going to find out. So the get is taking us to another page. I don't know why, but if you notice very well, wow, the problem is here. We specified double target right here, which is supposed to have only one target. So and again, come here also, change the get target also, change it to II. Now both of it is going to work nicely. Now let's reload our document. Let's click check. Can you see it's coming in? Can you see the post also is coming in? They are both working now. The post is reloading and it's taking us to the II. Can you see what happens? It's really taking us to the II. I don't think you get the point. So let's see what happens, why it's taking us to the II. As you can see, this one form target right here is that the form target we are specifying right here is this, and the form target also we are specifying is this. So why is it taking us to another page? We don't know. So in our let's reload our document. Let's submit it again. It's supposed to work perfectly. Let's reopen it again. Let's close it and reopen it. It's supposed to work perfectly. Let's click. Can you see? It's still taking us. Definitely the post method used to direct us to another page. Let's click our submit. Now let's change it again. Let's change the post method, right? This is the post, right? Let's change this to get. This is where we are going to know where the problem comes from. We can't conclude yet. Let's write the post at the top right here. Let's save our document and reload. Now when we click the post is still taking us to another page. Definitely there's something happening there. Definitely we are having an error in our form. So why the error? Let's give it another name. Let's call it KJ. Now our form action is having KJ, right? Let's give it KJ again here. KJ, and change our iframe name to KJ. You can give any name you want. That's why I'm trying to do it in this manner. So let's click our submit. Can you see the post still doing the same thing? So definitely something is happening with this form right here. So let's recreate it again. But to recreate it, I don't want to waste our time. Let's just copy this one like this and paste it again. Just change this one to get, and this one should have get.input, get, and this one to post. Let's change this one to post. They must not have the same name. So this one is taking us to the post, and this one is post. So we have changed it, we have rewrite it now. Let's reload our document. And you see we have, let's first post is going, and this, so definitely is because we are specifying the same name right here. Let's say this one is having post, this one shouldn't have the same post also. Let's give this one post now. It's not going to work, I think. Maybe that is the reason why it's doing somehow. We don't know yet, but let's say for instance now the post here also is having post. Maybe that's why the error comes up. We really can't say. Can you see it's not working? Actually the browser also sometimes can be doing somehow. So text what you are doing. That's what I would say. Anytime you are writing this, make sure you text it properly before you conclude that this is what is going on with your text. As you can see, we did everything nicely and it's giving us error before, but later when I rewrite the code, it's no more giving us error. Let's place this one at the bottom right here. So let's see, maybe that's why it's giving us error. Can you see? Can you see? Just imagine. Let's reload our document again. Can you see? It's not giving us error again. So we don't really know where the error comes from. Actually we have fixed everything, it's working nicely now, and this one can be post, this one can be get, this one is get, and this one can be posted. So make sure anytime you are working, work smartly, test what you are using before you can conclude, and close. Make sure you close, reopen your browser whenever you notice you have done something and it's not reflecting. Reopen your browser and try it again if it's going to work. Now it's working perfectly. The post is coming here, as you can see. We are receiving our data here. The get also is coming here. We are receiving our data here, as you can see. The both of it is working nicely, as you can see. The get also is taking our code. So let's say for instance now we write something here, write anwar here. When you press get, the get is going to take our anwar. Can you see we are having anwar? And when we press post, the post is going to come here. Can you see nothing is showing there? So that's what I want you guys to understand about target along with the iframe attribute. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Bye bye. Thanks.